Welcome to Neha Bookish Channel. Today we are going to see about the bird sanctuaries in Tamil Nadu. Ramanathapuram District, Chithrangudi Bird Sanctuary, 1989. Kanjirankulam Bird Sanctuary, 1989. Mela Chevvanur, Kezh, 1998. Theerthangal Bird Sanctuary, 2010. Sakkara kottai Tank Bird Sanctuary, 2012. Sivagangai District, Vettangudi Bird Sanctuary, 1971. Tiruvallur District, Pulicat Lake Bird Sanctuary, 1980. Kanjirankulam District, Karikilli Bird Sanctuary, 1989. Vettanggal Bird Sanctuary, 1998. Chithrangudi District, Kezh Bird Sanctuary, 1994. Erode District, Vettangudi Bird Sanctuary, 1997. Tiruvallur District, Ramanathapuram Bird Sanctuary, 1998. Vettangudi Bird Sanctuary, 1999. Viluppuram District, Kaduveli Bird Sanctuary, 2001. Hosur Bird Sanctuary, 2015. Ariyalur District, Karaiveti Bird Sanctuary, 2000. Tirupur District, Nanjarayan Lake Bird Sanctuary, 2022. Vettanggal is the oldest water bird sanctuary in the country. Vettanggal in Tamil language means hamlet of the hunter. This area was a favorite hunting spot of the landlords in that local in the early of 18th century. Kaduveli Bird Sanctuary in Viluppuram District. It is the 16th bird sanctuary, and Nanjarayan Lake Bird Sanctuary in Tirupur District is the 17th bird sanctuary. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Keep supporting us for more informative videos. Thank you.